You know, I've probably made chili hundreds of times, but I've honestly never made smoked chili. So today, I'm going to do it. I've got here 1 pound of hot breakfast sausage and 2 pounds of ground beef. Just going to season them with salt and pepper on both sides. And you can use whatever seasoning you want, none at all. And then I'm going to drop them in the pit barrel cooker over lumped charcoal to get that grilled or smoked flavor. What I like about this cooker is it's cooking directly over coals. So all that rendered fat and grease is going to drip down to the coal bed and steam back and create another dimension to this cook. Now, when it comes to chili, there are thousands of recipes. Many of them include bacon because who doesn't love bacon, right? And the rendered fat adds to the flavor when you use it to cook your onions and peppers. Now, of course, you can put whatever you want in chili, but if you are interested, I will put the full recipe in the description below. I love garlic because it's so flavorful, but it can get a little lost in chili, so I add plenty of it. And be sure to add the garlic once the onion and peppers have cooked down to ensure that you don't burn it. It's been right about an hour, so let's check on that meat. As you can see, the beef is in the upper 150s and the pork's a little behind. Perfectly fine though, because we'll cook it more in the pot inside. As you can see, the meat has got some real nice color. One important thing to note is if you try this on your own, go easy on the smoke. Ground meat really sucks it in, so don't overdo it and ruin your dish. Once the meat is broken down and we've added a little more browning, in goes the onions and peppers and garlic that we've cooked, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, a can of green chilies, chili powder, ancho chili powder, cumin, dark cocoa powder for depth, 3 cups of beef stock, and tomato paste. To thicken the sauce, I'm slowly adding a couple tablespoons of cornstarch to a cup of beef broth and then adding that into the pot. This recipe calls for Mexican beer, but this is American, man. You know, adding beer to your chili adds some sugars and can impart some buttery flavors from the malt. But remember, too much hops can make things bitter, so watch the IBUs. And of course, you got to add beans, that is, unless you're from Texas. Now, if you want to add more smoke flavor, you could simmer this on your smoker, but I personally think there's plenty of smoke in there already, so I just let this simmer on the stove for an hour or two until the liquid reduces and all those flavors marry. That's it. Pour yourself a bowl and enjoy. Add it to a hot dog or chili cheese fries, whatever your heart desires. Now, is this the best way to cook chili? I don't know, but it's fun, and the smoke definitely adds a huge dynamic to your ordinary chili. So get outside and give it a try. See you next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And check out these other videos I got. Awesome. Still watching? Come on, man. Click on that button. Click on it. You still watching?